stream with Out and About with yours truly, Lizzo C, but this is gonna be my food review, or not a review because I've done reviews for, we're at Costco, alright? So I want to just check out to see what the big hype is all about. If you've watched anything, like follow anything on social media, the latest trend for Costco is, drum roll please. Okay, so I got myself a slice of pepperoni, got a hot dog. I'm gonna not even use the bun. I'll save the bun and maybe take it home. But we're gonna take the hot dog. We're gonna put the hot dog in the slice and eat it this way. Have you guys seen this? Hot dog and a slice. It's good. It worked. I know. Don't have any spices. It worked. It's good. Take your bite. That's all I wanted to show. Costco hot dog and a slice of pizza. Take your bite. It works. It's good. Take your bite. That's all I wanted to show.